Just dive into it. And let's see. Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Look at this, look at this. I think this is how you do it. Oh. See, it's still there. Like, I don't think they would just give them the set of Leica without the box, you know. So I know this is this. I'm gonna follow the order. Go through the accessory first. This is the there are like German.
She. Oh, there's no.
I think. Well.
Nah.
Yeah.
No
I mean, they have the word notes.
yeah.
Nice. All right. I'm excited for this. I think they have like a special strap or something. Hopefully it includes. Ooh. Yeah, this is the strap.
Oh, the titanium
The
strap.
titanium strap.
Oh my gosh, it comes with everything, dude.
Hey, this is so old, but it looks so good. Like,
Dang, it comes with everything.
damn.
Those are like $100.
It was like 150.
150? Sheesh.
Dang. What the heck is this?
It comes with everything. Wow, is that the
Oh,
battery?
it's the battery.
Bro, that battery, you know those batteries are like 100 and something bucks?
Yeah, but the Q2.
But it's like the smallest battery I've ever seen.
Yeah, the Q2 is like $300 for each battery. I know. Okay. Use this thing. Some dirt here and there. And then this charging stuff. I think back then they also, originally they also do like two straps. So the special version and then the regular leather strap.
Oh, also have a strap? Yeah.
Okay. All right, here comes the truth.
Let's see. I think it'll be in good condition, bro. It looks like it's someone that cares about their camera.
Oh, that shit. Let me do this here.
Yeah.
I already have my mate.
It's in frame. It's in frame.
Holy shit.
It's in good condition, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, I really like the Titan color. That's in good condition, bro.
Oh my gosh. It is.
Why is it back focusing?
Okay, moment of truth. I think they should have at least some power to it. Oh, so.
I guess the only thing it did come with was the hot shoe cover.
Oh, yes.
Sheesh.
It's full. This is the lens cap. Oh, damn, it feels so nice. I heard it locks into place. It is. Oh my gosh. It feels so nice. It's like a good amount of weight for a camera this small. I think this is even smaller than the X100V.
Really?
I mean, the body.
No, there's no way.
I think
the body probably, but not
Yeah.
the lens. Yeah.
Oh yes. Hold on, I think I have my SD card here.
Sheesh.
I think the bottom part it got scratched up quite a lot, but then like the body itself, it's really. See if I can take a photo. I know how to take a photo with this. Hold on, is this manual focus? Oh, the cropping. Wait, how do I focus here? Oh, it's manual. Wait, hold on. Oh. It's like, oh. Damn, you gotta love turning this thing. But where's the where's the autofocus?
Do you have to turn it on? It might be on the lens.
It might be on the lens.
Yeah. Try look on the actual lens.
Focus. Multi-point. Oh, so you turn it here to do autofocus. Is it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you turn it.
And then now it should be.
Damn. It's like a click. It's like a really hard click.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Oh. This is so good, bro.
It feels nice.
Feels nice. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sheesh. It uses it's an EVF, right?
It's an EVF, yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's peaking.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
But the color, though.
I can't
The
tell.
lens. No, the color of this lens.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it looks better than just the plain wall.
The black.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, for sure. You could change. You change the aperture right here.
Yeah.
I can see it's a little bit like banged up on the lens
On
hood.
the hood.
Yeah, but for 2500, bro, it still feels like mechanically. It feels way better. It's like super smooth.
I mean, that's like a $6,000 lens
I
right
know
there.
the Summilux 28.
Yeah.
I'm actually. Are you a big fan of the 28 mil?
I would say a little bit more than the 35.
A little bit more than the 35.
Cause like the 35, it's when I have the X100V, like it's really hard to just like do photo sometimes because it's like a little bit closer. Like I like the 35 on the full frame, but then I do wish a little bit wider.
Oh, 1.7 so hard to focus manually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. I definitely see what people talk about when they say like Leica color. Want to teach them? You just want to like get by. So it's pretty weird, I would say, but that's life, right?
Wait, the optical, the OIS on this one is decent.